Hey guys, we are back out here and today we're in Montreal in Quebec, the most popular city in Quebec. We are walking up to the Notre-Dame Basilica. Let's see what Montreal has to offer. Let's go. So it does look like the basilica is under construction, but it appears they're still open. So let's go and try and check it out, guys. This is how much it is to get inside the basilica. $16 per adult, $15 for seniors, students are 14 and kids are 10. If you're 5 and younger, then it's free. So this is what it looks like inside as we head in. It's absolutely packed. As you can see, it's very popular. Alright peeps, so we just went inside the Basilica here in Montreal and it's pretty cool. I'm not sure if it's worth $32 for both of us, though. It was a good experience. We've been there before, actually. When you do get in, there's additional things they want you to pay for as well, like, you know, give donations and so on. So keep that in mind when you go. It was a lineup to get in. It would be best for you to get your tickets online first, because they do sell the tickets online. Same prices. You don't save anything for doing that. Then you don't have to get in line. You can just skip the line and get in. We're going to continue exploring Montreal right now. Probably grab some poutine, head up to Mount Royal and see what else there is to do in this big city. It's a very historic city, as you can see with the Basilica right behind me. Quite popular. It's a French-speaking city here in Canada. It used to be the capital of Canada way back in the day, like a long time ago, before it got moved to Ottawa. It's 30 degrees outside today, so we're currently in shorts and runners right now. Alright peeps, check this out. So I'm walking down towards the Montreal waterfront here, and look at the cobblestone roads they got here. Alright peeps, so we're coming up to the famous St. Paul Street, which looks like it's under some heavy construction right now, as you can see. But this is one of the most famous streets here in Montreal. There's a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. are out here close to the waterfront here in Montreal. You can see over there, that's a Cirque du Soleil, the Curios version. You can see the Montreal wheel here. Pretty cool. There's even people kayaking on the water down here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a guy ziplining over there. That's pretty cool. We're just checking out the Montreal Entertainment District down here in the Port of Montreal. See what it's like. We've never been down this side before. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty busy. It's hot right now. It's about 30 degrees. To my right, you can see the Cirque, the big top set up for their shows. And Cirque du Soleil is originally from Quebec, actually. They're a Quebec company. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is here all year round. So now we're at the waterfront, peeps. Check it out. We're just behind the Montreal wheel over here. There's that bridge in the distance. I'm not sure what bridge that is, but if you know, just let me know in the comments what bridge it is that I'm looking at here in Montreal. Here's the bottom of that zip line we saw earlier. Check this out, guys. Look how much people is at the Port of Montreal right now. It's crazy. We're walking right underneath the zip line here. We got a little adventure dome thing right here too, mimicking like a pirate ship. It's pretty cool. Okay, thank you. Check out these unique buildings. This here is the Quebec Court of Appeal, as you can see. Look at the construction and the architecture. It's crazy. That's the SAQ, which is the liquor authority here in Quebec, similar to LCBO in Ontario. Pretty cool here in Montreal. Very nice city, very nice buildings. I feel like it has a lot more character and obviously architecture than Toronto itself. Toronto seems to be a lot of newer buildings compared to Montreal. Montreal and Quebec City is reminiscent of Europe in a way. The buildings are really, look at this one right here, guys. Not even kidding you. Some pretty unique sculptures. Reminds me of the buildings I saw in Portugal when I was there earlier this year. Yeah, guys, we're gonna actually check out a popular poutine spot right now. It's called La Banquise. We're gonna see what it's like. Let's check it out. Here it is, peeps. La Banquise, a popular poutine spot here in Montreal. We're gonna check it out, try out their poutines, and see what it's like. Let's go. Quick look at the menu here. Okay folks, so we just checked out La Banquise, the poutineery here in Montreal. It was good. I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. There is better poutine spots in the city, but this is a OG one, so we had to try it for the first time. We've never had it, so we may as well. But I don't think it would be something that we would kill ourselves to come back for. It was good poutine, I'm not gonna lie, but it seemed a bit overkill for a lot of the options that they had. I had the bacon, pepperoni, and pulled pork one. There's tons of options with like onion rings and mac and cheese and all of that stuff. The service was good. It's very, very busy, so keep that in mind. The waiter was not too attentive to us, but they were very, very busy, so not gonna hold them on that. We are gonna head to Mount Royal now to check that out, get some epic views of the city of Montreal from there. Leave a like on this video. It helps me more than you know, and it helps to support the channel, so I do appreciate that. Let's check out Mount Royal, guys. We've just arrived at Mount Royal and we are heading up to the viewpoint. I believe the viewpoint's called Hondiarank Belvedere. I do apologize if I'm butchering these French words. I have no practice in French, so I am gonna apologize beforehand. We are gonna head up to the top of Mount Royal right now and check out the views of Montreal that we'll get, and we'll show you guys what's up. And as you can see, folks, there is ample parking here at Mount Royal, and this is actually a large park. There's the lookout area, and there's also multiple other hiking, even skiing areas in the winter, so keep that in mind. You do have to pay for parking. It's $4.50 Canadian per hour, and they have different parking meters along the parking area here. Pretty cool spot to come and enjoy a weekend vibes with your family, friends, etc. Almost there, peeps. Here it is, peeps. We are here at the top of Mount Royal right now. We have some epic views of Montreal that I'm gonna show you guys. But right before I show you that, I just wanna thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate it, as usual. We're gonna see you in the next video. Not sure where that's gonna be or what it will be about, but we do appreciate all the support. Check out the views of Montreal, guys. We will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace out.